Hey guys, how you doing? I'm going to show you a really easy way that you can make money online and you don't have to show your face. It's about making a faceless YouTube channel. Here we go. As you can see here, Roberta's Gym is a faceless channel, and just in the past 30 days or so it's made anywhere from 3.4 thousand to 54.5 thousand. And if I just take you to the channel, they're just making very basic videos that I'm going to show you how you can duplicate and how you can start to crush it too. First thing you want to do is you want to go to Google, and then you can just type in, for example, how to build muscle. This is going to give you lots of different ideas, give you different keywords, and show you how you can add these, and then you can also make money uploading them on YouTube. Next, what you're going to do, you're going to go to Fiverr, you're going to type in voiceover, and then you're just going to click on English, and then you're going to choose if you want female or male, and these people can dub their voices over this so you can have a very crisp, very professional sound. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to Pixabay, and you can type in anything health related. I just typed out workout, then you want to click the video, and you can use all of these videos, and you don't have to worry about any kind of content creation strike or anything that's going to get blocked on your channel. Next thing you want to do, you want to type in blackmagicdesign.com, and this is a free program that you can use to edit videos, and it is just as good as the top paying programs. Epidemic Sound Music, and you can download high quality audios and you're never going to be flagged. Alright, so then guys, when you're in your program, all you want to do is just have some nice transitions, have some nice background sounds, background music. You want to go to Canva. And once again, you can create a very simple thumbnail, and you can just go to Pixabay one more time, and instead of videos, just click photos, and it's going to give you a range of different things that you can choose from. And finally, what you want to do is you want to go to ClickBank. If you type in health and fitness, you can see some of these commissions that they are paying out. So once you've done that, you upload it onto YouTube, just let the algorithm run its magic, and then you will be making money. I hope you got value from this, but guys, if you want to know the best way that I am making money online, I can show you some free training. Type in yes in the comments down below, and I'll be glad to talk with you more about it and help you get on track to be making thousands of dollars a month. All right, take care, and I look forward to hearing from you.